Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video with Thomas. I got this package in today and I'm really looking forward to opening it, so let's get to it. Today I am enjoying a Maximus Brutus, which sounds like it should be a very heavy beer, but I think it's actually not too bad. In any case, cheers guys. Yeah, it's very nice. It's not as heavy as the name would make you believe, but anyway, let's go. It's on the other side. Should be an easy unboxing like this. Right. There you go. Interesting. This is not the one I asked for, I think. Looking by the design on the box at least. Let's see if you can see that. This is... let me get that out. Or maybe it's just a weird box or something. I don't know. I don't think it is, though. Let me get rid of that. There you go. This is the Retro 87 mechanical keyboard. However, I asked for their new full-size model, which I don't think this is. What this looks to be instead is an Xbox version of their retro mechanical keyboard, which is interesting. I did own, to my great shame, an Xbox at some point, an original Xbox, because there were basically no fighting games on PC at the time. But of course, I quickly repented from this horrible sin, but I do have a little bit of Xbox experience as a result. I know everyone has a history, right? Nobody's perfect. I do still also own one of the Duke giant controllers, the original Xbox controllers. Come on. Apparently it includes a 1-month Game Pass, by the way. Let's see. Nothing else on this box, I think. Apparently Kale Jellyfish X switches. In contrast to the box whites that they ship with the other ones. Blah, 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 double laid ABS, matte UV coating, fast mapping on super buttons, blah, blah, blah. Officially licensed by Xbox. Wow, honestly, I didn't even know they had this model. Well, let's check that out in a second. First, the extras. So it comes with a bunch of stickers. Excuse me, sorry. Control C, Control V, Control S, blah blah blah, and a bunch of other stickers like that, and a PC Game Pass. Wow. Standard quality control, blah blah. I think we've already seen these things in the other 8bitdo unboxings. And oh wow, that's interesting. So, so it comes with a USB cable, but the cable is in the style of the original Xbox controller. I wonder if you can see that. It's this dark green colored cable. It's quite distinctive. Interesting. And they also appear to have shipped their dual button macro thing, but this one is again in the style of an Xbox. Look at that. Wonder what switches they went with here. Yeah, just MX green. That makes sense. I think MX green is the default for all of them. You need something with a bit of a stiff spring in order to properly prop back up such massive buttons like this. Wow. Honestly, I had not expected this, but it's still cool. But I'm really wondering about the main keyboard, of course, as I'm sure you are. So let's get to the pièce de résistance. Oh wow. Ta-da! There you go. I guess this... Yeah, it fits it nicely, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks very nice. So, I mean, it looks so different from the other 87 key keyboards. Okay, so it's still very clicky. I'm not familiar with whatever this switch is that they mentioned. What was it? Jellyfish something or whatever? Ah. And there's a little plastic cover on this. Look at that. I mean, it does look cool, even if it looks very different from their other models. Oh, there's even a protective sticker on the colored keys. So I guess by now it feels a bit weird to say this, considering, you know, I'm a millennial, but I guess the Xbox is kind of vintage by now. Oh, well, yeah, well, this is retro now, which feels so weird to me, but yeah, I guess it makes sense. The special keycaps are very interesting. They look at that. I'll show you that up close, and maybe you can see it as well. You can really see the arrows inside. Yeah, that's nicely done. So I'm unfamiliar with this jellyfish switch, but it sounds pretty good to me, to be honest. Wow, nice. Yeah, man. Like I said, I hadn't expected this, but it's still kind of cool, really. I wonder if this model is even on their website, because I think last time I looked, it wasn't on there. Still got the same dongle at the back, the wireless dongle. It's magnetically held. You can see the electronics through the back as well, because the housing is semi-transparent. I gotta test out the backlighting here. Let me quickly see if I can get that up and running for you guys. Aha. So by default it comes with a sort of rain effect, and I'm gonna switch off the studio lights here real quick, so you can maybe see a bit better. It's a sort of starry sky effect. It's not really the rain effect. Though a rain effect like on like in the Matrix, for example, would, I think, look very nicely with these translucent green keycaps. Interesting. I'm not entirely sure why they went for this particular lighting. Oh man, look at that! Even the Xbox logo here at the top has got that ring, the illuminated ring, and it's white, which I think means that it's not dead. Because if it's dead, it's red or something like that, right? Oh man, it's been so long. Maybe I still have that Xbox. I have no idea where I would have put it though. I think I might have given it away or something. I forgot. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Man, I can't believe the Xbox is considered retro already. Damn. So, I wonder if these switches are click bar switches or click jacket ones. And it doesn't sound like a click jacket switch, to be honest. I could be wrong though, but they don't sound rattly. I'll have to look into these. I really don't know. Is the Xbox button do something? Yeah, it does do something. It toggles game bar. Game bar improves your gaming experience by providing easy access to your favorite games, utilities, and tools. Okay, I'm not sure I am interested in that. But I have no idea what it is. I guess I'll have to check it out. But yeah, in any case. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, sorry, I thought it was a different connector, but it is still the same audio jack cable. I'll have to connect that at some point when I test this out. Well, I guess it should be a fairly easy test because I've already basically done its reskinned brothers. But yeah, maybe I'll show this at the same time as when I get the full version, well, the full size version, which I suppose they're still gonna send me at some time. I'll make it a dual review or something. Ah, cool. But anyway, I I hope that you enjoyed this video, because, well, maybe it's a surprise to you guys too. I'd never heard of it. But anyway, I've been rambling on for long enough now, so I guess I'm gonna stop this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.